We don't wanna turn the lights on kasi it's big light eh. Pag mahug to dito, ang hirap i-get niyan ha.
Okay,
Dito.
I know what light, guys. See the light with the sky. That's the sea. It calls me.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That sounded nice.
I'm gonna leave my techno. I swear.
Break party over there.
Oh my god, we're done. She just tried to turn
Bro, I'm in Cebu. Why are you looking for?
Diba it used to light Rina, this one?
You need to charge that man. Oy. Jarain Blues sa hello, Jarain Blues.
Berat nga lang na yung
Hello, Jarain Blues.
Bratata.
Hey, babe.
Oh my god! Why? Xander and Kuan got Kuan on Twitter.
God ko ano.
Oh my god!
Sige. Ganto ba yung...
Shut up! Xander and Tyler?
Yeah.
No, wait.
Ay, si Tyler monggo nag-post siya weird.
Ano day ba?
Gi-story man na. Kinsa day na?
Ah, si Xander day ni.
Yeah, that's
Kinsa na,
Xander.
uy?
Rina, that's Rina.
Wow,
Xander.
my friends getting recognized, bro.
Guys, they're gay.
Uy, Hershey!
So that they won't ship.
Oh, it's actually gay?
Hey, they're not kuya. You're so mean, dude.
God,
Sorry,
so
guys.
bad.
Hershey's just so cancelable, bro.
Hindi kasi para wala yung ship.
Chinita Moreno.
Yeah.
Dale, Moreno.
Actually,
Dale,
that's
Moreno.
true. That's true. Like you, Rina.
What?
Chinita Moreno. Huh? Ay. I'm gonna sleep sa.
Rain, ba't wala ka kanina? Kasi I'm in Cebu.
Okay,
Bro, I cannot live with you guys. It's so
Why?
weird.
Why?
Hey,
Mag-invite na ang GC.
Hershey!
Yun na, like, you invite ba?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, stop touching!
What? What are people saying?
Saying, vlog Clover daw.
Okay, it's
Coming.
coming.
Clover.
Coming. We're still brewing the
We have an
vlog.
upcoming vlog.
We're brewing the
along
vlog.
with two boys.
Yeah, they vlog daw kanina.
With
With
our
you.
6 straw. Wait, how did you drive? What is so?
It's awkward because I'm with you guys. I was fine with like alone, wey.
Oy, sorry ha. Sige, gawa.
Hala, di ako my car.
Hola, Nile. Hola. Hey, I don't speak.
Give me it.
Guys, my image ba? It's broken.
Okay, now let's do it properly. No.
Hoy, mahulog yan, lagi.
Dili, lagi. No, my pops okay.
Nile.
That's the point of the pops okay, bro.
Okay, behave.
Touch your nose if you like, Kai.
Nile, you have to like choose what you read.
Wait, what? Ano rin?
She's like reading everything.
Hello, Clover 4. Wala kayo sa Taguig, no? Isang hi, Chelsea Lian.
Bro, why is reading everything? Wait, sorry guys, they're mute.
Ang cute ni Nile.
Oh, show your face now.
Pa-shout
Oh,
out
show
birthday.
your face now.
Are you in Cebu right now, Rain?
Yeah, guys, we just watched Reina's billboard earlier. You should have went there.
We don't
It's
even
too
know
sad
where
you
you
didn't
live.
go there.
Huh?
Now Reina's leaving.
What did it say? Oh, shut up. Nothing. Good in the hood.
It's okay, guys. People can actually be so scary. Like,
Uy,
That's creepy.
Ba. Nile, may bias daw.
Hello, pretty
Oh my God!
oh.
Bro. Guys, you gotta stop with that. Bro, I'm actually gonna talk na ba?
Are
Hi,
you in
Rain
Cebu,
from
Rain?
Taiwan, bro.
Hershey, hello!
Hershey, hi!
Hershey?
Bias record siya, Zay!
Hey!
Shout
Okay,
Nile!
okay.
I think he was supposed to shout out Nile. Okay, let's choose what we read. John C.
John Z, may bias.
Shout out Rain from Taiwan.
Hala, gikalimtan ako no. Kamu na lagi bias lagi.
Hi, Marielle. Hi, Lane. Lane is the one who gave our gift.
Leon sa to, uy.
Ay, Leon eh.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Oh!
Ay, what's that?
Thank you
Oh
so
my God, I'm
much,
gonna stop it.
Jasmine. Oh my God. Sorry guys, like my friends are like...
Pangatulog na mo
Uy,
ba?
Hershana daw, Hershana.
Eh!
Joy.
Guys, we need the proper live.
Highway Hilda. Isang Highway Hilda daw rin.
Pakabaho.
Pakabaho ng... let's practice Tagalog. Guys, let's speak Tagalog. Like, only,
Okay.
only Tagalog challenge.
What can we like
Okay,
do in
simula.
life? Kasi simula.
Start. Magsimula.
We're so bored.
Bakit ang tahimik niyo? Hindi kayo
Wait lang.
marunong, no?
Ah, okay. Look at this, guys.
Look at this.
Stuff
Ew, shit.
isn't it neat?
What did you think?
Okay, you know guys,
My
Nile and I made like this last year.
What did you think?
Oh, it's here.
I'm the girl.
Can you like react?
Girl who has
I'm gonna take your ears off.
Oh my god, this is what I look like.
Gadgets and gizmos to play.
Yeah, so we had to do this for our school and then they said it was wrong, so we had to do it again.
What did she say?
I mean, I'm not saying it's something bad. We still did it, so like, it was fun. Here in Reina's house.
Ha! Watching from Laguna. Hi, Laguna. Sing for us. Oh my God, Nile, it's your time to shine.
Go, Nile. Go, Nile. Hello, we gilipat pa ako.
Mahulog dyan na. Go sing. 7 a.m. Go.
7 a.m. the usual morning. Line up.
Eh.
What do you think about my voice?
Mm.
Sorry, yung phone mo.
Galing daw, galing. Rain, touch. Ay.
See, it's Lian.
Shout out, Lian.
Hi, Shanda, you're so pretty.
Kali pretty.
Shout out, Lian.
No, I'm not saying you're ugly. I'm just saying you're tama.
Ang cute
What's that,
niya.
tama?
Tama!
Right.
She was like,
Correct.
oh my god, no. Tama ba?
Tama, correct.
Tama, it's like this. Tama, like I was...
Tanga.
That's tanga.
Guys, you gotta be bilingual.
Tama. Hindi man yan.
That's correct.
Wouldn't
Hala,
you
uy, sa
think
mukha ninyo yun.
my reflection-
Now, main vocalist.
Oh my God.
I should laugh properly.
Hi, Clover friends. Pa-shout out naman.
Shout out!
Tama na, uy.
What did you think?
Kinsa day like there, uy. Dako lagi.
What did you think?
Bro, I can't do this with you.
Agay!
Everything.
Hi, Lalisa27.
Nga, who's it and what's it?
Thank you po sa nag-bring ani.
You want thing
Wait,
you about?
is it bigger than your
It's
shit?
as tall as us.
No, I'm taller than it.
Oh my god, no, don't make me look like that bad, guys. I'm tall.
Shay.
Why do we suck at TikTok live?
Oh my.
Join my team.
Guys, can we like be entertaining
What
also?
does join my team mean?
My team ka ba? Nobody's gonna get that joke anyways.
I can't do this with you guys. Guys, when I live, do you even watch?
Sometimes.
Shut up.
You always
Yeah.
live when I'm in class.
I saw you live for the first time on TikTok. You were like here in your room singing.
Liar! I never did that.
Yes,
Oh,
you
yeah, I did.
Like the first time.
You watched that? Really? Oh, you're such a fan. How about you?
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
so being cringe.
What did you watch?
For like 5 seconds.
Thanks. That's how they are, no? They just check it.
No, because
Because
Bro,
when I scroll,
I watched your unboxing when I was in physics.
oh my god.
Ay, biology.
Bro, that was at night.
No, it was in the morning. Unboxing ba? Like your first unboxing.
Sige,
I was
cool.
in bio. I didn't have
Bro, why are you revealing to the world that you're not listening in class? Oh my god.
Oh my